Hey there, this is Dan with Learning to Smoke. I am going to show you what I like to do to peel the membrane off the ribs. I know a lot of you may know this already, but I like to do tutorials once in a while. So what I do is I pull this over here. I like to take, some people like to take a knife. I like to take my ThermoWorks Thermopin or whatever meat probe you may have. Just kind of poke into the skin under there a little bit, that membrane that is, a little bit. Lift it up, pry it up a little bit like that. All right, let me get this direction as well. Okay, then I take this paper towel I've got right here. And I take a paper towel because it gives you a better grip. I don't have nails or anything fancy like that to just be able to grab on and pull this. But anyway, I take a paper towel, get a good grab. And ideally, you want to get it all in one clean rip. Doesn't always happen for me, but we'll see what happens today. Boom shakalaka! There we go!